There are moments when the universe sends a messenger, a fragment of a world unknown, drifting silently between the stars, a grain of matter carrying the memory of another sun. First came Oumuamua in 2017, a shard of mystery that defied our expectations. Then Borisov, a true comet from another star, flashing cyan through the dark. And now, the third visitor, 3I Atlas, enters the story. Not a harbinger of doom, but a whisper from afar, a cosmic breadcrumb, tracing paths beyond the borders of imagination and comprehension. In April of 2024, a faint streak of light appeared in the digital eye of the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, also known as Atlas Network. Designed to protect our planet from potentially hazardous asteroids and other space-moving objects, this system instead uncovered a messenger from beyond it. At first, the signal was faint, a magnitude of just plus 18.7, drifting slowly against the backdrop of stars. But its trajectory was strange. It didn't circle the sun like our local comets. It came from nowhere, and seems that it will never return to its origin. Astronomers ran simulations. Every model, every orbital fit, all said the same thing. Its path was hyperbolic. Its velocity is too great for any solar system origin ever recorded. Thus, the verdict was sealed. This was an interstellar object, the third wanderer ever confirmed. Once news broke,
right now, a fleet of NASA spacecraft are turning their attention.
Let's talk instead about a mystery interstellar object that was spotted by astronomers last week. It could be the oldest comet ever seen.
Observatories across the globe turned their gaze. The Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb, Gemini North, Pan-STARRS, and the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS. Each adjusted their mirrors toward this elusive traveler. From Hawaii's volcanic peaks to the deserts of Chile, from orbiting sentinels above Earth to the silent void beyond the moon, humanity's lenses aligned on a single cosmic wanderer. Each telescope revealed a different layer of truth. Hubble saw a shimmering coma, faint but active. James Webb Space Telescope found chemical fingerprints of cyanide, carbon chains, and dusty volatiles, evidence of a body both alien and familiar. TESS caught its flickering light curve, subtle variations that hinted at rotation. Gemini detected the icy halo's expanding breath as solar radiation awakened frozen gases. And from all these fragments, a portrait began to form. What kind of world births a traveler like this? 3I Atlas appeared as a carbon-rich comet, its spectrum tinted with organic compounds. But the ratios were off. Very strange compared to those found in our solar system. It carried the signature of interstellar chemistry, molecules forged in an alien nursery under the ultraviolet light of a distant star. Its perihelion distance, about 7 million kilometers closer to the sun than Earth's orbit, allowed it to briefly ignite, glowing faint green before fading into darkness. Its velocity, over 26 kilometers per second relative to the sun, meant it would escape forever, a transient light in our cosmic sky, never to be seen again. Perhaps somewhere in another system, another civilization saw a comet once leave their world and wondered if it would ever pass near someone else's sun on a time yet to be determined. With every discovery of the cosmos comes debate, and 3I Atlas has not been the exception. Some claimed it resembled a fragment of a shattered planetesimal, a shard expelled during the birth of a distant solar system. Others, like astrophysicist Avi Loeb, proposed a more radical view, that interstellar objects might in rare cases be artificial, The evidence remained purely natural here, but Loeb's arguments reignited a question older than science itself. What if some of these cosmic wanderers are not merely debris, but designed by an extraterrestrial force? For all our equations and instruments, the truth remains veiled behind distance and time. Science thrives in that tension, between data and wonder, between reason and imagination. Oumuamua, Borisov, and now Atlas. 3 visitors, 3 stories, 3 echoes of creation itself. Oumuamua, fast, silent, tumbling, dry. Borisov, vibrant, gassy, unmistakably cometary. Atlas, the hybrid child, bridging the gap between the known and the unknown. Together, they map the diversity of interstellar objects, offering clues to how other planetary systems form and evolve. Each one a sample of a distant world's past. Each one a letter from the galaxy, written in ice and dust. And as technology sharpens, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in northern Chile will soon scan the sky every few nights, promising to find dozens, maybe hundreds, more galactic visitors. The age of interstellar archaeology has just begun, with so much more to reveal. From its tail, researchers extracted spectral clues: cyanide, carbon, traces of ammonia elements. Simple but deadly, beautiful molecules. The same seeds from which life might one day emerge and grow. Could such fragments have once seeded worlds like ours? Could we be, in some infinitesimal way, the echo of such travelers past? Science doesn't answer these questions, but it gives them form. It turns wonder into method, awe into measurement. And in doing so, it brings us closer to understanding not only where we came from, what we are made to seek. 3i Atlas now drifts away, past Jupiter, beyond Neptune, beyond the sun's fading light. It will travel for millions of years through silent gulfs of interstellar space until the glow of our star becomes just another point in its wake. We will never see it again, but we will for sure remember its passage in 2025, because each of these wanderers, each interstellar visitor, reminds us that the universe is not a fixed story. It is a living continuum, a conversation among stars, and we here on Earth, a brief but listening voice. Perhaps one day, another world will detect a tiny speck of light rushing through their own system and whisper, "There goes a messenger from another sun." We invite you to stay at the forefront of cosmic breakthroughs. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you're first to know when the universe reveals its secrets. Ready for your next mind-bending discovery? Click on the next episode and dive in. Thank you for watching.